SEMAC's high-frequency horizontal wood joining machine is one of the most popular industrial mechanical products in the wood manufacturing industry today. Designed and manufactured by SEMAC, the high-frequency horizontal wood joining machine can join wood sheets with various sizes. SEMAC's high-frequency horizontal wood joining machine can produce wooden products that are more durable and precise than other traditional joining methods. With high durability and flexibility, the high-frequency horizontal wood joining machine is becoming an optimal choice for industrial wood production businesses today. In addition, SEMAC's high-frequency horizontal wood joining machine is also integrated with modern features such as automatic control system and precise sensor system, helping to increase accuracy and stability in the production process. With outstanding advantages and advanced technology, SEMAC's high-frequency horizontal wood joining machine is the perfect choice for industrial wood production businesses. Moreover, we also provide design and construction services that meet each customer's needs and purposes, helping to fulfill all customer desires.